Sunday afternoon in, messing up the sequence again, stumbling through the instructions, holding the hammer wrong, your elbow hits my shoulder. The wood is acting cold and strange, but we're not checking the clock. It's a little wobbly, it's a little clumsy in the middle, but it's holding up the tea, and it's holding up the memories we make here. Yeah, it's ours now, even if the screws are sticking out a little, sticking out a little. Found an extra piece, or maybe we skipped a step entirely. We're just staring at the diagram, then staring back at the pile. Your hair is in a messy bun, and I'm laughing at my thumbs while we're stumbling toward the end. It's a little wobbly, it's a little clumsy in the middle, but it's holding up the tea, and it's holding up the memories we make here. Yeah, it's ours now, even if the screws are sticking out a little, sticking out a little. For a couple of people who don't know what they're doing.